In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Lazada ads pop-up. Get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your settings on your device. And here, go ahead and scroll down and look for the Google section. Click on Google once you find that Google section. Now, in here, go ahead and click on the All Services section to be able to find all of the services connected to this Google account. Scroll down and look for ads. Click on ads and you'll get redirected into the ad settings. In here, go ahead and click on Reset Advertising ID to be able to reset your advertising ID and confirm this action. After that, go ahead and delete advertising ID. Click on the Delete Advertising ID button to confirm, and after this, go ahead and head back to your Google account by clicking on the back button. Now scroll up and click on your Google account and click on the Manage Your Google Account button. Now this will redirect you to Google account. Now, once you're already on Google account, go ahead and head over to Data and Privacy section. Now, in here, go ahead and scroll down and look for My Ad Center. So, click on that My Ad Center. In here, go ahead and disable personalized ads by clicking on that on button and set that to off by clicking on the turn off button. And as you can see, your personalized ads are now off. And that is how you can simply remove Lazada ads pop up. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.